Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm actually in Florida. I've been in Florida for 4 days already, since Saturday, July 7th. Yeah, so I kind of just been here relaxing, chilling, not doing much. I actually went to go visit one of the families I used to work for yesterday, and I miss them so much. I miss my little baby girl and the little baby. Like, they're so cute. They are so much bigger now. Like, in 4 months they grew so much. They're both so big and I miss them so much. So right now I'm just waiting for Rangel to text me his order so I can go pick up some lunch for both of us. So we're gonna have Chipotle, and I'm gonna go have Chipotle with him. So I'm waiting to see what he wants from Chipotle so I can go get it. And my battery is blinking red like always. Nothing new here. What else can I tell you guys? On Sunday we went to mini golf. On Sunday we actually went to Top Golf. It was so much fun. I sucked at it. I only was good for one of the games, and the rest of them I sucked. But yeah, it was pretty fun. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm feeling like crap. I was feeling perfectly fine this morning, or like before you, like when you guys saw me, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I had it in the system and it's finally just kicking in, but after I left my hubby's job, I started feeling so cold. I don't know if it's that or it's just, it was really cold in Rangel's office, like super cold, and I had that little tank top thing. So I don't know if that got me sick or what, but it was so cold in there. And the minute that I left, I was like, I gotta go because I'm like freezing. And yeah, the minute that I left, I was so cold, and I got home, I was freezing. I just like had to put on a sweater and curl up in bed. I'm editing a vlog that should go up tomorrow. I just want to finish it up. I'm just so not feeling good. My body hurts, everything's like aching, and it's no bueno, guys, no bueno. Hopefully tomorrow I feel better. I haven't eaten anything since lunch, but hopefully tomorrow I feel better. But yeah, I'm trying to think positive. I'm like trying to get up, do stuff, like move around, kind of clear my mind up, like be like, alright, I feel better. But the minute I get back into bed, I'm like, ugh, I feel disgusting. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this vlog. It's already 7 p.m. and I still have to upload it, find music for it, because I did not bring my computer. I'm using my husband's computer, so I have to find some music for it here and upload it for you guys. She gonna make you move to Miami. You guys, sorry for the lighting. I got my hair done today. Do you guys like it? I am in love. Yeah, after this I'm done. For a while, till my hair gets healthy again. But yeah, I love it so much. I don't know if you guys can really tell here in this lighting, because this lighting in this room sucks, but this is how it looks. I am in love. I am in love with my hair. It's so much more lighter than what it used to be, and I brought it up higher than what it was because my hair grew out so much since last time I did it. Like, it grew out so much. So this is how I wanted it to be since the beginning. So now that I'm here, I think that I'm completely done dyeing my hair. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I will show you guys in a different lighting in a second, but I'm gonna go downstairs and say hi to people because there's people here. Ah. Hey guys, so I actually came outside so you guys can see my hair like better out in the natural daylight. It's actually cloudy right now, but still, it's better than inside light. Ow. I stepped on something. So this is my hair. Do you guys like it? I love it. I think it looks beautiful. It's so light, so beautiful. I love it. Wow, long hair looks so nice. I haven't had long hair in such a long time. I'm kind of digging it. I'm gonna let it grow like up to my butt, and then I'm gonna chop it all off again. That's my plan. All right. There's a person watching me. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.